Yes, again, let's start again, हाँ. ठीक है.
Yes.
So capacitance क्या है? It is the amount of charge needed to raise the potential of a conductor by unity.
Yes.
ठीक है. That is, if the potential difference is equal to 1, then the this capacitance will be equal to Q.
Charge.
ठीक है. हाँ.
Yes.
That is the amount of charge. What is Q? The Q will be the amount of charge which is needed to raise the potential difference by 1. ठीक है.
Yes.
This is the first.
Yes.
This is the basic definition of capacitance. Second point. If I am joining two conductors together by a thin conducting wire, and if the capacitance of one of the conductor is C1, the potential difference across it is V1. The potential difference of the another conductor is C2, and the potential difference across that conductor is V2. ठीक है. Then the common potential will be equal to what? From this formula, C is equal to Q upon V, so V will be equal to Q upon C. So the common potential equal to what? Total charge divided by total capacitance.
Yes.
So if the charge on the capacitor, on the conductor, on the first conductor is say Q1, and on the second conductor it is Q2, then the total charge will be equal to Q1 plus Q2.
Yes.
ठीक है. And I have already taken the capacitance of the conductor number 1 as C1 and the conductor number 2 as C2. So the total capacitance will be equal to C1 plus C2.
Yes, sir.
Now Q is equal to what? C into V. So the charge on the first conductor will be equal to what? C1 into V1.
Yes, sir.
And the charge on the second conductor will be equal to C2 into V2 divided by C1 plus C2. So this is the common potential. What is common potential? That is, when we are joining two conductors together by a thin conducting wire, then there will be a transfer of charges. ठीक है. From one conductor to another till the potential of both the conductors is the same, and that is called the common potential.
Yes, sir.
वो एक common potential हो गया. So common potential is equal to total charge divided by total capacitance, and this is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. ठीक है.
Yes.
This was the second important point. Now third important point is that the capacitance are normally they have got a series combination and a parallel combination. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
If I have got two capacitors, so I can connect them either in series or in parallel. So these are the two major combinations of the capacitors which are used in our day-to-day life. Now in the series combination, this is the series combination here. So this is the capacitor C1 and this is the capacitor C2,
Yes, sir.
and these two capacitors are connected. I am just drawing this figure here again, like this. This is one capacitor, this is another capacitor. So these are the two plates of the capacitor. One plate is positively charged, it has got positive charge, and on the other plate it has got negative charge. So this is another capacitor. So one of the plate has got positive charge, other plate has got negative charge, like this. Now these two capacitors are connected to an external voltage source like this. So this is the external voltage source. It can be a battery.
Yes.
Now here these two capacitors are connected in series. Okay, how? This is C. I am just taking one point here. So this is one end of the capacitor, and one end of this capacitor and one end of this capacitor. Both are joined together here.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. One end of this capacitor and one end of the another capacitor are joined together here. But you see the other end of this capacitor, they are not joined together because in
Yes.
between there is a voltage source. So the other end of this capacitor and the other end of this capacitor, this one and this one, they are not joined together. So In the case of a series combination or in a series circuit, one end of the capacitor is only connected with each other. That is one end of one capacitor and the one end of the other capacitor. ठीक है? They are connected together and the other end are not connected together. However, in the parallel combination, see, this is a parallel combination. This one. Here you can see here, this positive end. This is the positively charged plate of the capacitor. This one, and this one.
Yes, so the other one is a negative charge.
And the other one is a negatively charged. But you see here, the positively charged plates are connected together here. See here.
Yes, sir.
And the negatively charged plate, see here, this one, they are also connected together here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So here what is happening, that both the ends of the capacitor, they are connected to each other. है ना?
Yes, sir.
So this is called the parallel combination. So this is how you will identify whether the two capacitors are connected in series or they are connected in parallel. In series, only one end of one capacitor and one end of the other capacitor are connected together. The other end is not connected.
Yes, sir.
Whereas in the parallel, one end of all the capacitors, they are connected here, they are connected together, and the other end, that is the other plate, the other end of the capacitor, of all the capacitors, they are also connected together.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? You can see here, the positively charged plates, they are connected together here, and the negatively charged plates, they are also connected together. So this is called a parallel combination.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Now in the series combination, the potential difference, see, let us say this is the potential difference across this. Let us say this is the point A, and this is the point B. This is the point C, and this is the point D, and this is the point E. Now here you can see here, in the case of the series circuit, the potential difference across the ends of these two capacitors will be equal to what? That is, see, this is an external voltage source, this is a battery. Okay? So here the potential difference across this battery is V. So the potential difference across AB will be equal to V here.
Yes.
Now, if the potential difference across AB is equal to V, then the potential difference across EC कितना होगा? V. This will be equal to V. Now, in the case of series circuit, this potential difference V will be equal to the potential difference across this capacitor plus the potential difference across this capacitor. That is, अगर इसकी let us say this is the capacitor C1 and the potential difference across this capacitor is V1, and this is the capacitor C2, and let us say the potential difference across this capacitor is V2. ठीक है, ये ऐसा ले लिया. This is the potential difference V1 across this capacitor C1, and this is the potential difference V2 across this capacitor C2. So
Yes, sir.
V will be equal to V1 plus V2. ठीक है? This potential difference V, this will be equal to the potential difference across this capacitor C1 and the potential difference across this capacitor C2. So V is equal to V1 plus V2. ठीक है? और अगर इसमें और भी कैपेसिटर्स आ रहे हैं, अभी तो यहाँ पर I have only taken 2 capacitors. There can be n number of capacitors. So if there are more capacitors, let's say there are n number of capacitors. So what you can write here is V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on, है ना? and so on, like Vn.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So the potential difference across all the capacitors, or you can say the potential difference across the ends of the capacitor will be the equal to the sum of the potential difference across all the capacitors. ये आपका सीरीज में होता है.
Yes, sir.
In the series, and in the series combination, the equivalent capacitance, equivalent means the net capacitance. यहाँ पर इसका कैपेसिटेंस C1 है, इसका कैपेसिटेंस C2 है. So the equivalent capacitance, or we can say the net capacitance, वो ऐसे होता है. That is 1 upon C equivalent. This will be equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus and so on, like this.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So this is what I have written here, like this, plus 1 upon Cn. ठीक है? तो equivalent capacitance is equal to 1 upon Cq is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 and so on up to 1 upon Cn. This is in the case of series. In the case of parallel, अच्छा हाँ, one more thing. In the case of the series combination, the charge on both the capacitors will remain the same. If the charge here is Q, then the same charge will be here on this capacitor also. The charge on all the capacitors will remain the same in the case of series circuit. ठीक है? So there are 3 points. In the case of series circuit, the charge on all the capacitors will remain the same. First point. The potential difference
The
across.
voltage will also.
Sorry?
Sorry, the potential difference is the same.
No. The potential difference across the ends of the capacitor will be equal to the sum of the potential difference across each capacitor. अगर मान लीजिए, I am just drawing it here. This is the one end of the capacitor. Now this is one capacitor. This is another capacitor. This is another capacitor, like this. ठीक है?
Yes.
Now let us say this is the point A and this is the point B. This is capacitor C1, C2 and C3. ठीक है? अब इनके बीच का the potential difference across this capacitor C1 is, let's say, V1. इसके अक्रॉस V2 है, इसके अक्रॉस V3 है, और इसके AB के अक्रॉस जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है वो है V, मान लो.
Yes, sir.
तो क्या हो जाएगा? V will be equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3.
Yes, sir.
That is the potential difference across the ends. ये end है, ends of the capacitor. ये end है, ये end है. The potential difference across the ends. Ends means like this. Ends. Potential difference across the ends of the capacitor. Ends means ये दो टर्मिनल्स हैं अलग अलग. इसके अक्रॉस जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगा, that will be equal to the sum of the potential difference across each capacitor.
Yes, sir.
The potential difference across C1 is V1, इसके अक्रॉस V2 है, अगर V3 है then V will be equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So this is in the case of a what? Series combination. And in the series combination, the equivalent capacitor, अभी ये तीन आपके सीरीज में लगे हैं. इसका कैपेसिटेंस C1 है, इसका C2 है, C3 है. ठीक है? What will be the net capacitance? Net capacitance क्या होगा? This will be equal to 1 upon C equivalent. C equivalent is the net capacitance. 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 and so on.
Yes, sir.
So these are the three important points in the series combination. In the parallel combination, you can see here the voltage, the potential drop, or you can say the potential difference. See here, these three capacitors are connected in parallel.
Yes.
So the potential difference across all these three capacitors is the same. It is V. It will remain the same. the potential difference across all these three capacitors will be the same. पैरेलल में, सीरीज में क्या हुआ था? सीरीज में एड अप हो गया था.
Yes,
The
sir.
potential difference across the ends of the capacitor was equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 in the series. In the parallel में क्या है? The तीनों के across जो potential difference है वो same है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Now, in the case of the series circuit, the charge on each capacitor, अगर इसके ऊपर चार्ज Q है तो इसमें भी Q होगा, इसमें भी Q होगा.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? अगर इसके ऊपर यहाँ पे ना ये कैपेसिटर में दो प्लेट्स होती हैं, एक पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है, एक पे नेगेटिव होता है. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज पे प्लस क्यू हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव चार्ज पे क्या होगा? माइनस क्यू.
Yes.
इसी प्रकार से जो सेकंड कैपेसिटर है उसके भी पॉजिटिव, ये जो प्लेट है आपकी पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है, तो इसके ऊपर जो चार्ज हो गया प्लस क्यू, जो आपकी नेगेटिवली चार्ज प्लेट है उस पर चार्ज हो जाएगा माइनस क्यू. ठीक है? तो चार्ज जो है हर एक सीरीज में, जो चार्ज सीरीज में हर कैपेसिटर के ऊपर चार्ज सेम रहता है. ठीक है? सीरीज में होता है. बट यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पर चार्ज क्या है? हाँ, अगर इसके ऊपर चार्ज Q1 है, इसके ऊपर चार्ज Q2 है और इसके ऊपर Q3 है, then the total charge Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? और यहाँ पर जो नेट कैपेसिटेंस है, यहाँ पर कैपेसिटेंस क्या हुआ था? 1/C1 प्लस 1/C इक्विवेलेंट वाज इक्वल टू 1/C1 प्लस 1/C2 प्लस सो ऑन. यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? द C इक्विवेलेंट इज इक्वल टू, इसकी कैपेसिटेंस C1 है, C2 है, C3, तो C1 प्लस C2 प्लस C3. यहाँ सिंपली एड अप हो जाएंगे. सो यहाँ पे तीन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. कैपेसिटी इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस इज इक्वल टू C1 प्लस C2 प्लस C3 एंड सो ऑन अप टू Cn.
Yes.
चार्ज क्या हो जाएगा? द टोटल चार्ज ऑफ दिस पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन विल बी इक्वल टू द चार्ज ऑन, इट विल बी द सम ऑफ द चार्ज ऑन इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटर. इस पे Q1 है प्लस Q2 है Q3, तो यहाँ पर हो गया Q1 प्लस Q2 प्लस Q3.
Yes.
Third important point, the potential difference across all the capacitors will remain the same in the parallel combination.
Yes.
समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir, shall I note these?
now you start writing all these points from here. This is the first point. You can write down each and every point. ठीक है? After that, yeah, this is the first point. And this is the topic, that is capacitance. आप ये जो पॉइंट्स हैं इनको आप सीरीज, अच्छा यहाँ पर मैं आपको इसको मिटा, शुड आई रब दिस वन और व्हाट?
No, sir. Sir.
ठीक है, तो आपको बेसिकली ये वाला सर्किट, ये डायग्राम बनाना है, ये वाला बनाना है, और बेसिकली यहाँ पे फॉर्मूलेस लिखने हैं. यहाँ पर मैं एक लाइन और लिख देता हूँ, चार्ज ऑन ईच कैपेसिटर, है ना,
Yes, sir.
will remain the same. ये हो गया आपका in the case of series. In the case of parallel, ये आपका हाँ, the potential difference जो है across all the capacitors will remain the same. So you just write down all these three important points and then after that we will continue further. ठीक है? आप इसको करिए. In the meantime I will just coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.